everybody. So I wanted to show you something in my kitchen. So although I joke all the time that my kitchen totally hates me, I think it's just my oven actually. So it's just that part. But organizationally, I love my kitchen and it loves me. So my husband can use this all he wants. This is my, right here, my measuring cup cabinet and my spice cabinet. Basically this whole cabinet is what I want to show you. And I had somebody help me make these little cute little signs at the top here for just it says blessed beyond measure, and these cups are metal, so I can shut the door and you don't hear them bang or anything like that because they're metal. And they're hung on a little command hook right here, and I have a little strip of magnet right down here, so when I hang them on here they magnetize and they don't bang every time I close the door. And some from Etsy, I got these little labels right there, the 1 cup, 3rd cup, and all that, so I can always find all my measuring cups. And then on the other side, I have all my tablespoons, so the same way, and I put a long magnet strip at the bottom, so it really helps to never, know where, they're never missing. I always know where they are. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is in here, this is my little spice rack thing. So this just folds up in and away, and when I want to use it, I can just pull it right out. It's metal, and it just comes right down and it rests right there. So probably one of my favorite things about this house. And these little jars, I bought these a long time ago, so I'll see if I can find them anywhere for you and put them in the comments, but I bought them a long time ago. But I've labeled them all, so I have all my spices for someday if this ever does get used. But anyway, so then I can put it away anytime I'm not using it, and it's really great for short people too. And then up here, I also have these cute little containers. Let's see if I can show you right here. They have a little handle on them. And I believe I got them at Dollar General or Dollar Tree or something like that. When I'm looking for organizing containers, I try to go as cheap as possible just so it doesn't break the bank and so that I can buy as many as I want and not feel guilty. So anyway, so these are great for like a top shelf like that. And then I just label the handle so I always know what it is I'm going to get to pull out of there. So this is my little spice area right here. And yeah, someday, maybe this will get a little more use from me, but it's really organized and pretty at least. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you for something just spicy and fun. All right. Happy organizing, everybody. Have a great day.